So this is the Vivo Home 130 MIG welder, and it's been pretty fun to use this. It's only about $130, I think. You can get it at Amazon, but a lot of people are saying that it doesn't do a good job welding heavier metal, but I've been using it. It's been pretty good. I have it set for the max power, and I've got the feed at about a 5, and I've got it on a 30 amp circuit in my garage. I tried it on 20, but it just kept cutting out too early. It would blow the breaker, but 30 seems to be good. So able to do a lot of welds here. So this is a 3/8 steel welded onto 3/4 inch plate, and just building a press out of a log splitter. This is an 8-ton log splitter. I'm going to do it for my forging some Damascus steel. Have a nice die here, but it's worked well. I'm just going to do a connection here. I'm going to spot weld it first and then put a nice bead down. Show you guys. So this is some 1/4 inch going on to 3/4 inch plate, and works good. Been pretty happy with it. Seems like the welds hold well. So I'm going to turn it on. Get on my welding helmet. It's a good welding helmet, auto dim. Got this at Amazon also. Pretty cool. Hope you guys can still see. Alright, so I'm just going to tack this on first. Hold it in place. Tack there. Tack there. Okay, now put a stronger bead. Hold it. So not a great welder, but holds down a pretty good bead. Just got to continue that down a little bit lower. Put down a good bead, and everything seems to be in there nice and tight. You can still slip this die in and out pretty easily. We're going to go ahead and give this a try to see if when we load it up to bend some steel, if it's going to hold up. Just ran out of welding material here, so we're going to push down, get this one off. Okay, that comes off. That one out, and we do have some material still in there, so I'm going to spin this off, lift this out of the way, and gain access to this material here, so I can pull it out. Pull that one out. Okay, we're going to feed the new one in. New roll. Guide it in there. Push it in. Should come out the other end. We got to get this a little straighter, make it easier. This wheel in, that back, lock it in. Some tension on it. It should be this way. There go. Okay, got it. We'll go ahead and turn it on. And then when we push the trigger, it should feed it in. We put that cap back on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Some material. Close this. Back to welding. Alright. Put on our gloves. This beat a little better. I'm going to weld up a small Damascus billet. So feeding a little bit too fast. Turn it down. Okay. Okay, so that should do good. So we can see that little welder has plenty of power to weld up this Damascus billet and to get the rebar connected, so we're all ready for forging. Okay, I'm going to set the weld. Tap. Good. See yellow hot, and then we'll get the weld set, and we'll draw it out a little bit with this 8-ton log splitter converted. I'm going to feed it in with my left. Should work. Just gotta let it bake a little bit. It's gotta be about the same color as the forge, and we're ready. Getting it. The billet looks to be the same color as the inside of the forge. Let's try to draw it out now. Turn on our power. Good.